Hey guys, welcome back. Kind of a part 2 of the comparison video that I did with the 1969 Talladega versus the 1969 Torino Cobra. So I had plenty of you guys that know more about this. You guys chimed in the comments of the last video, and we're asking questions, giving comments, and that was all great. So it made me want to, I had to scratch my head a little bit. It's like, why? How did I not see this? Why didn't I check that out? I was just giving a comparison video. I really am not an expert at these two cars. I remember my dad talking about them. I know somebody who's got a 70 Torino, but it's different than the 69. But regardless, I want to do a clarification video. Let's say, yeah, that sounds good. Clarification. So had questions about the engines. Are the engines the same? Yeah, because as far as the box information goes, 428 Cobra Jet and 428 Cobra Jet. So yeah, same at least in this box. I don't know what the real cars came with. I guess I know they would have come with a 428, but I don't know if all of them did or if all the Talladegas did. More than likely they did. But the engines are identical as far as the moldings or the castings of the engines. They are identical. There's nothing any different except the color of the plastic. All of the intakes are the same. So the engine combination is completely identical from Talladega to the Cobra over there. Interior identical. The race car package, the NASCAR parts, identical. Hoods was a question. Does the Torino have a different, or does the Talladega have a longer hood because it's got a longer nose? As far as this kit goes, these hoods are exactly the same length. And interestingly enough, to kind of prove the point, I have noticed on the Talladegas, like if you're looking at pictures on the internet, the Talladega will usually have this blacked out hood, and the Torinos won't have a blacked out hood. That does give a visual effect. It makes them look different. But I've got a few pictures pulled up here of these cars, so a comparison. Oh man, I don't want McGaffey. Here is a picture of a hood on a Torino. So this area right here is kind of what I was looking at. The length of that. The hood does definitely drops down. It starts to dip down. Then this picture of a Talladega here. You'll notice there's no difference in the... No, I don't want that. Again, whatever. Get out of here. Let me see if I can make that come up. Anyway, move the darn thing over. Stupid virus protection. This hood here, by the way, that isn't that an awesome looking car? Holy cow. But anyway, it looks the same to me. I don't see any difference. I see this hood. I see this area right here, this drop down nose. I see this car. I didn't even Google, is it the same nose? I wanted to look for myself. Looks to me, guys, like it has the same hood. So the kit does show it has the same hood. Here is a picture of a Talladega, 1969 Talladega. One thing that I noticed that the kit does not have is this little marker light right here. You'll also see it on this Talladega. There's a marker light here, but then on, where did the darn, there it is. See, there's no marker light here. I don't know if it's because of the length, but also what you'll notice is you see this blinker here. Well, there's no blinker here on the Talladega. So you've got two different blinkers, and on someone also mentioned that the sides on the Talladega were rolled in. I think that's what they said. A little different. I don't see that. I can't find any difference in the actual, other than if you were to pull the front fenders off, I can't see any difference in the rear portion of the car. It seems to look exactly the same to me. I could be wrong, have been already on the first part of this video, but anyway. And then the grill, the obvious difference here, we have a different style grill, and I'll get back into that because that was the thing that I found when I was setting this, looking at all this. I'm like, everything is exactly the same, right? But then I looked at the boxes and I'm like, they're different. Look at, see the front bumper, it has a license plate, a place for a license plate to go, and it seems like the headlights are bigger. And then this one, it does have a license plate slot. It's got a slotted out front bumper, and it's got the blinkers, like I was just showing you. See, it's got the little blinker right there. But this guy doesn't have the marker light. So anyway, then I looked at the chrome trees, and here was the interesting thing about this whole darn, where did it go? There it is. The grills are different. The chrome trees. I can't, it's too jumbled up and all this, but these chrome trees are identical. Nothing's different except the grills. See that? Totally different. The Talladega grill has the much larger headlights, the place for the license plate, and the Torino grill is has the slotted out bumper. So these are very accurate of what comes in this kit. One thing that I do notice is if you were to add the nose and make a Talladega out of it, that little blinker, that's the little corner marker blinker right there, you would have to fill that in or delete that to make it accurate, because it wouldn't look right, because that nose piece goes right across there, and then you've got like a blinker. So you would have to do some molding with some putty or whatnot. But other than that, since I've learned, I'm such an expert at knowing the differences in these cars, other than that, I can't find a thing that's any different. Let me see. The dashboard, you have the race car dashboard, the NASCAR dashboard, or the stock. You do, however, have the hood scoop that's for the Torino Cobra. You have it in the Talladega kit, and in the Torino kit, then you have the Talladega nose. And I'm assuming, because these two noses do look, and I haven't measured them, but I do think that they are one stacked on the other, so you're getting the illusion. And I'm not going to take them off the tree, but I could pull a tape measure, but it looks like to me they are the same size. So if you did have your Cobra kit and you wanted to make a Talladega, I believe that grill would fit in the insert, and unless you're an expert like me, no one would probably notice. You would just have that grill and bumper on that car, which would be cool. Be kind of a mishmash type of a deal. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to clarify that. Thanks for those comments that made me look into this. Hey, it makes us all stronger. We're all like Talladega and Torino Cobra experts now, so give yourself a pat on the back. No, I'm just playing. All right, guys, well, that's it. Again, clarification. Aren't those 289 and 427 emblems back there? Those things are so cool. Got them from Hobby Lobby. They had these signs, totally rabbit right here, but anyway, these signs, they had a lot of signs that were on sale, and I stole them. I almost said I stole them. I didn't steal them, I bought them. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with my ignorance from time to time. Pretty often, actually, I get caught with something that I said that wasn't true quite often. You guys are sharp in the comment section. Keep bringing those great comments. That's how we grow. All right, guys, don't forget to go to our Facebook group. I know I say that every video, and I'll continue to. Go join Model Car Videos Facebook group. Link in the description. Go check us out. Join. Show me if you've got either one of these that you've built. And don't forget to go to Hobby Nut Models and check out Mark's inventory group. Pick you up a model kit. Anyway, guys, I'm done. We will see you later. You take care. Bye.